Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle, regular puzzle, a binary puzzle. In today's newspaper on Wednesday, July the 31st, 2024, last day in July. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, the binary. It's binary time. News of the day, well, it's war day number 889. 889 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Alright, binary number 8, no, number 9, triple O, 9,000. We have 1K to go. Yes. Then I will leave you all. Yeah. Channel will be closed. Okay, in this newspaper we have in the evening an additional 7 puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But now let me continue with this one. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 5 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, oh wait. 4 ones. Well, between the ones comes an O, between the ones comes an O. I cannot place the 5th one here. Otherwise, we will have 3 O's in a row in this second row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be one, this should be no. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes. Between this O is an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Between the O's comes in 1. Well. Now I'm stuck. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. That box should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1, double 1, here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones, double O here, 1, there, 1. And we have 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. And between two ones comes an O. Finish in 5 minutes. Well, without comparing. We solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.